Accidents happen, but you can create a virtually invisible repair quickly and easily. For every job, it's a good idea to keep leftover pieces of the film just for this purpose. This procedure is intended for areas where the DI-NOC brand architectural finish, but not the substrate below it, is damaged. Before applying film, always clean the substrate to be sure it is free of dust and contaminants. Wipe with a solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water, and wipe dry. Be sure your hands are clean and free of dirt and lotions to avoid contaminating the adhesive. And always work on a clean surface and with clean tools. You will need these tools: a cutting tool with break-off blades, a 3M brand applicator PA1 gold squeegee that is clean and nick-free, and a piece of DI-NOC brand architectural finish that matches the damaged area. Using a clean, sharp blade, cut around the damaged film so there is at least 1/4 inch margin of undamaged film around it. Cut a simple shape that will be easy to duplicate later in this procedure. Lift a corner of the cut film with the tip of the blade and remove the damaged film. Select a piece of film that matches the pattern and grain of the film you are repairing. Cut the film 1 or 2 inches larger than the area you are repairing. Then, double-check that the repair piece aligns perfectly with the pattern in the area you are repairing. Roll back just enough liner to expose some adhesive. Carefully align the pattern and use your thumb to adhere the exposed adhesive to the film. If you are working with a large repair piece, use a clean, nick-free squeegee to adhere the film. Remove the rest of the liner and continue using your thumb or a squeegee to adhere the film while maintaining the pattern alignment. To highlight the area where the damaged film was removed, rub your fingers around the edge. This edge will be your guide to sizing the final repair piece, which will be slightly larger than the damaged film you removed. To cut the repair piece, cut through both layers of film 1/8 to 1/4 inch around the highlighted edge of where the damaged film was removed. The dotted line shows the outline of the damaged film that was removed. The solid line shows the repair piece you cut in a similar shape. To keep the repair piece from shifting, hold it with a finger or a hand. Slide the tip of the blade under the outside edge of the repair piece to loosen it, and then remove the underlying film. Use care to maintain the alignment of the film's pattern. Use the edge of a nick-free squeegee to gently push together the edges of the original film and the repair piece. Go over the entire repair piece with a squeegee. Rub a finger over the edge of the repair piece to be sure the film pieces meet smoothly, and re-squeegee as needed. Repairing a small area of damaged film is fast and easy with 3M brand DI-NOC architectural finishes. If you encounter damage that is large or has also damaged the substrate below the film, please contact your local 3M Architectural Finishes representative for additional information. And please see our website for more videos on applying 3M's DI-NOC brand architectural finishes.